5 simple steps to earn money from internet as an affiliate marketer. The online industry is growing every passing day. The proof is, there are many options to earn money from internet. Affiliate marketing is one of them, and it is currently selling like a hot cake. There are 2 possible reasons behind its immense popularity and demand. Firstly, the process involved is very simple and easy to follow. Secondly, it commands a very little investment and offers a steady source of income. When it comes to the process involved, it comprises of 3 things: seller, middleman and customer. The internet marketer basically plays the role of the middleman. The marketer promotes products of the seller and earns a certain amount of commission every time a customer purchases the said product. Remember, as an affiliate, you are expected to generate sales through different promotional tools. Therefore, you are expected to take appropriate measures which in turn can enhance your earnings. Following are the 4 simple steps that can help you in this regard. Choose your niche wisely. Make sure to choose the niche topic that you are passionate about. It will help you in your work if you select a particular area that interests you. If needed, you may take help of search engines or online forums. It helps in identifying products or services that are in great demand now. Whatever niche you choose, always stick to it. It is advisable that you don't jump from one niche topic to another, for it has chances of destroying the trust of your customers. Select products with a thorough investigation. As a part of investigation, try to judge the marketability and profitability of the products you choose. Fortunately, there are several affiliate marketing networks such as Commission Junction that is very helpful. These websites have a marketplace wherein you can find innumerable number of products. The best part, registration to these sites is absolutely free of cost. On completion of registration, you are provided with an affiliate ID and a special affiliate link. Every time a customer clicks the link and buys a product, your account gets credited with the commission. Make a blog or website to reach your audience. Having a blog or website of your own allows you to reach your target audiences in quick time. In addition, it permits you to place your affiliate links according to your convenience. Instead of registering with free web hosting service provider, it is better to opt for reputable companies like HostMonster or GoDaddy. This way, your objective to earn money from internet becomes smoother and easy. Create quality content. Your website or blog may contain the slickest web features. However, it has no relevance when it comes to driving traffic. Instead, it will all depend on quality of content you provide. In order to attract customers and convert the clicks into sales, it is very important you keep all promotional matter very alluring. If time does not permit you to write such content, you may get it written by someone else. Drive quality traffic to your blog or website. If you wish to earn money from internet with affiliate marketing, you need to drive website traffic. For this purpose, you may utilize suitable methods like email marketing, classified ads, paid advertisement and article marketing. This is very important when you choose programs like Amazon affiliate marketing. More traffic means more visitors, more sales and more commission.